In order to easily remove the glass carafe from your coffee press, simply fill up your sink with warm water. Next, submerge the coffee press in the warm water for approximately 30 seconds. Be sure to hold it by the handle so you don't burn your hand. After approximately 30 seconds, remove your coffee press from the warm water and gently push on the bottom of the glass carafe. To reassemble your coffee press, simply take the plastic form and submerge it into warm water for approximately 30 seconds. Once the 30 seconds is over, remove the plastic form from the water and gently fit the glass carafe into the plastic frame.